Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add a balcony in Planner 5D. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in planner5d.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Planner 5D if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left side of the screen, we have the product, resources, enterprise, and pricing. We also have in the top right corner your project, design school, and the logout option. And of course, we have your projects here in the middle of the screen. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add a balcony in Planner 5D. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. First of all, go and click on a project that you would like to go and add a balcony to. After that, when it of course loads, it will take some time. On the left side of the screen, you have the search, build, furnish, outdoor, and you have your items and stuff like that. You need to go and click on the search bar and type in balcony. After that, you'll have, as you can see, a lot of balconies here that you can go and choose from. So basically the balconies here that you can see are locked because you need to have the premium of this website to, of course, have the access to balconies. After you have, of course, got the premium account, when you, of course, found the balcony that you want, you just need to go and click on it and put it wherever you want on the screen. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. As always, bye guys.